Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a sonic toothbrush, and I want to show you. I have one of those super fancy other ones that got old and crusty, and so I needed a replacement. And so this one here is the Achamree sonic electric toothbrush. So we're going to give this thing a try here. It says it has a smart timer, smart reminder, IPX7 waterproof, sonic motor, DuPont filaments, DIY choice, USB charging. Okay, so let's check it out here. Let's see all the stuff that we got. So I'll open it up for us. You okay? Where are you? Oh, down here. Okay. So it looks like it has the toothbrush here with a little rubber nub over it to just keep it safe there. We got a few heads in here. I'll take out one. And we can put this on here. Pretty straightforward, like every toothbrush should be. Looks like it's going to have an LCD display, function key, and the switch and the toothbrush head. So these are all our options. It's nice that it has this hard plastic piece over the head. So if you travel or something like that, you can take that. And then I think it was, oh look, it says high on it. I don't know if you can see in there. It's got the LED screen. It says high. And now it's on polish mode. And you can see it even vibrating right there. That's polish mode. It's going, it has a 2-minute timer. Here it says, oh, it's got a sad face because I turned it off in the middle of it. So it's polish. And then this one here is massage mode. This one here is DIY and cool clean. You can kind of see the little bristles moving around. And this one here says sensitive. So I guess it's just not as powerful. And then deep clean. That one's crazy powerful. And then there's the polish one again. So we can cycle through all the different ones. I don't know if you can see the head moving differently as I push them. So pretty cool. And that's just the sonic stuff moving on it. And then when I turn it off, it says sad face because I turned it off without it going the full cycle. And it says it's 78% charge, so that's cool too. What's my doggy doing over here? Okay. And then on the bottom, it looks like it opens up and we're going to be able to charge with a USB-C connector. So that's really nice too. So this is great. So this will be my new travel toothbrush because then I can always charge it wherever I'm at, and it can have this little cover over here. I can put that other little nub on it there to make it easy to travel with here, just so it doesn't stab anything as I go. And look at that. Now this is ready to go, and I'll be able to charge it with my phone charger or anything because it's USB-C. So how cool is that? Really nice little toothbrush set here. So I'm going to say this is awesome. Thumbs up for sure.